Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 B7 headlight. This task, while seemingly complex, is quite manageable with the right approach. You'll need to partially remove the front bumper to gain access to the headlight's mounting points. Remember to always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before you begin any electrical work. This ensures a safe and smooth process for everyone involved. To prepare the bumper, first open the hood and remove the 3 Torx screws that secure the top of the grille. Next, you'll need to access the wheel arch liner. Turn your steering wheel to one side, then remove the 3 Phillips head screws holding the liner in place. Behind this liner, you will find 2 8mm bolts that also need to be removed. Repeat this step on both sides of the vehicle. With the screws and bolts removed, you can now gently pull the bumper forward from each side. It should unclip from its side guides with a firm but careful tug. It's a good idea to have a stand or a friend help support the bumper at this point to prevent any accidental damage. Once the bumper is pulled forward about 6 to 8 inches, you will have clear access to the 3 main bolts securing the headlight assembly. Now, you can proceed to remove the 3 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. Once these bolts are out, carefully reach behind the headlight unit and disconnect the main electrical connector. This connector usually has a tab that needs to be pressed or pulled. With the bolts and electrical connection free, you can gently slide the entire headlight assembly straight out of its housing. Installation is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.